Hey guys! Today's video is on the top 5 NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink. Through extensive research and testing, we've put together a list that will meet the needs of different types of buyers and help you choose which one is best for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. THERMALRIGHT NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink. First off, let's talk about the design. The THERMALRIGHT NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink is crafted from high-quality all-aluminum alloy material. But what sets it apart is the precise heat dissipation protection it offers. Take a look here. Almost all sides are surrounded by aluminum, featuring a sleek and clear edge and corner design. This not only adds to its aesthetics, but also maximizes the heat dissipation area, ensuring your SSD stays cool under pressure. Now, let's dive into the science behind it. The THERMALRIGHT heatsink boasts multidimensional heat conduction. That means it's not just about the aluminum alloy, it's about the double-sided bonding heat conduction with a specially designed silicone pad. This unique combination ensures full bonding IC heat conduction and multi-layer heat dissipation, guaranteeing your hard disk stays cool and performs at its best. But wait, there's more. THERMALRIGHT takes it a step further with its efficient multi-duct design for heat dissipation. The concave convex texture shell heat dissipation structure, made of aluminum alloy, creates a fast and effective heat dissipation channel. This means even during intense data read and write sessions, your SSD stays at an optimal temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining peak performance. Now, let's talk about the real deal, the performance boost. The THERMALRIGHT NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink doesn't just dissipate heat, it unleashes the full potential of your SSD. By inhibiting temperature rise and preventing SSD overheating, you activate the speed limit of the hot slot. The result? A stable and reliable SSD performance that's ready for any workload. Number 5. TEUCER Air NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink. Feast your eyes on this beauty. The TEUCER NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink is not just a storage solution, it's a fashion statement for your rig. Thanks to the sandblasting technology and oxidation treatment, it's not only stylish, but also anti-corrosive, anti-rust, and practically immune to dirt. It's like having a knight in shining armor for your data. Now, let's talk about performance. This heatsink doesn't just look cool, it stays cool too. The built-in silent rotating turbine cooling fan, aka the turbo fan, ensures that your SSD stays frosty even under heavy loads. With a rotation speed of 8,000, this silent turbofan is a game-changer, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and keeping your system running smoothly. But wait, there's more. The double-sided all-aluminum design is all about unimpeded heat conduction. It's like the express lane for heat to exit your system. The large area of aluminum ensures a tight fit, quick heat removal, and an overall efficient cooling process. Your SSD will thank you. Now, let's talk about thermal conductivity. The TEUCER NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink comes with an efficient thermal conductive silicone pad, tightly adsorbed for that perfect fit. With a thermal conductivity rating of 6.0, it's like the magic touch that keeps everything running at optimal temperatures. The TEUCER NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink is not just a piece of hardware, it's a performance art for your PC. With sandblasting technology, a turbofan, a double-sided all-aluminum design, and an efficient silicone pad, this heatsink is the superhero your SSD needs. Number 4. JUMPEAK Abyss M1 NVMe SSD Heatsink. The Abyss M1 boasts a 5V ARGB LED that syncs effortlessly with your motherboard, allowing you to customize and synchronize the lighting to match your rig's aesthetic. It's not just storage, it's a visual masterpiece. The Infinite Abyss LED light effect creates an extraordinary atmosphere. Picture this, your setup bathed in a mesmerizing glow, standing out from the crowd. It's not just a storage solution, it's a statement. We get it, looks aren't everything. That's why the Abyss M1 doesn't compromise on function. The aluminum alloy heat dissipation module not only enhances the appearance but ensures quick heat dissipation. What does this mean for you? Reduced temperatures, improved performance, your hard disk's best friend? Equipped with a high thermal conductivity thermal pad, the Abyss M1 takes heat management to the next level. This little hero ensures heat is conducted away efficiently, giving you a smoother and more responsive system. To sum it up, the JUMPEAK Abyss M1 isn't just an NVMe2 SSD heatsink, it's a game changer. ARGB synchronous lighting, super cool effects, efficient heat dissipation, it's the triple threat your rig deserves. Number 3. TEUCER NVMe M.2 SSD Heatsink. A game changer in the world of storage solutions. But what makes it stand out? Let's dive in. First off, check out that sleek design. TEUCER brings you a dual interface with a generous 500 cable length, making it not just functional, but also versatile for your setup. Now, let's talk about the M.2 vest. TEUCER takes it up a notch by adopting a 5E3-pin male and female dual interface design. This means you can connect multiple ARGB devices effortlessly, addressing the common issue of insufficient motherboard interfaces. It's a DIY dream come true. The TEUCER M.2 vest provides excellent scalability, catering to the diverse needs of gamers and PC enthusiasts. We all love the speed boost from M.2 SSDs, but the heat they generate can be a buzzkill. Fear not. TEUCER's 0-degree family M.2 radiator is here to save the day. Experience effective heat dissipation and stable performance, ensuring your M.2 SSD runs at its optimal speed without any hiccups. Gamers, this one's for you. The TEUCER MLI heatsink lets you play games freely without worrying about M.2 high-temperature slowdowns. It's time to level up your gaming experience. Slowdowns be gone. TEUCER ensures you win with speed every time you hit that power button. And for our content creators and streamers out there, TEUCER has you covered. The M.2 vest supports ARGB synchronization with various factories, boasting 6 PCs, 1210 high-brightness ARGB Magic Lantern beads. Number 2. JEYI 150 NVMe 2 SSD Heatsink. First things first, let's talk about the build. The Q150 boasts an impressive one-piece aluminum and copper construction, giving it unparalleled strength. And guess what? It comes with thermal compound pads, an absolute game changer for heat dissipation. Now, let's dive into the numbers. The 401 watts per meter Kelvin full copper heatsink fins. Copper, with its superior thermal conductivity, ensures your SSD stays cool under pressure. But wait, there's more. The Q150 comes equipped with a whopping 50 copper fins, providing 30 times the surface area of conventional heatsinks. That's the FinsGold Q150 for you. Silence is golden, especially when it comes to your PC. JEYI knows this, and that's why they've engineered the Q150 with a silent and efficient convective heatsink. As the PC fans do their thing, the airflow over the heatsink, combined with the multitude of copper fins, ensures optimal heat dispersion. Numbers don't lie, and neither does the Q150. With an additional 36 copper fins, providing 20 times more surface area, this heatsink guarantees a temperature drop of 20 to 45 degrees Celsius under heavy SSD loads. Yes, you heard that right, a significant decrease in temperature. So, there you have it. Folks, the JEYI Q150 NVMe2 SSD Heatsink, a true powerhouse when it comes to keeping your SSD cool and your system running at its best. If you're ready to elevate your gaming or productivity experience, check the link in the description to get your hands on the Q150. Number 1. ORICO M2H's 5 NVMe EM2 SSD Heatsink. Your solution to keeping your NVMe solid-state hard disk cool and performing at its best. Let's dive into the details, shall we? First off, check out this sleek design. The M2HS5 is tailor-made for M.2 solid-state hard disks of NVMe/NGFF protocol, compatible with both 2280 single and double-sided SEs. But what makes it stand out? Let's talk about the materials. The combination of heat dissipation aluminum and pure copper heat pipes is a game changer. It ensures better heat dissipation, which is crucial for your SSD's performance. The double aluminum design provides a large area for passive heat dissipation, and the pure copper heat pipe takes it to the next level. Remember, copper cools faster. The copper heat pipes in the M2HS5 absorb your drive's heat, maximizing its performance. Your SSD will thank you for it. Not just fast, but cool and stable. The aluminum alloy material and copper coils work hand in hand to provide the best heat dissipation efficiency for your SSD. No more worrying about overheating and system slowdowns. This isn't just for show. The M.2 HS5 is tailored for desktop computers, ensuring a better cooling effect for your motherboard. Say goodbye to those overheating concerns that can hamper your system's performance. And here's the icing on the cake, the snowflake-shaped design. It significantly increases the heat dissipation area, while the aluminum alloy material promises high cooling efficiency. It's like a snowfall for your system temperatures down, performance up,